Let's begin with what is DBT and why we need DBT. DBT is known as data build tool. It is gaining a lot of popularity because DBT provides something known as modularity, or you can say templating feature. Now, what's templating? Let's say you build a data warehouse, slowly changing dimensions, gold layer, silver layer, bronze layer in one project. Now you move to another project. There also you started building data warehouse, slowly changing dimension, gold layer, silver layer, bronze layer. Wait, sir, you started repeating the work. And let's say if the company have 10 different projects, will you be repeating the same thing in 10 projects 10 times? No, sir. No, this is totally time waste. And that's exactly in order to save businesses from reworking. In 2016, Tristan Handy developed an open source project called DBT Labs. DBT is an open source platform for transforming data within cloud data warehouses like Snowflake, BigQuery, Redshift, Fabrics, Databricks, and so forth using SQL. It was created by DBT Labs, founded in 2016 by Tristan Handy and team. DBT's most distinctive quality is that it focuses on the T in ELT. Okay, it focuses on T in extract, transform, and load, and it does everything inside the data warehouse. It also enables the users to manage transformations with software development workflows. Today, DBT Labs provide three different platforms for businesses. Those are DBT Core, DBT Cloud, and DBT Canvas. DBT Core is the free open source command line tool that allows developers to transform data in their warehouse using software engineering best practices. It became so popular that DBT built two products on top of it. Those are DBT Cloud and DBT Canvas. So now, sir, what's the difference between them? Well, it's the same strategy which Spark used. They made Spark open source and built a product called Databricks on top of that. Now the question comes, why they built two products? Obviously, guys, they need to generate revenue out of that as well, right? There was few challenges in DBT Core. If you had worked on DBT Core, you know the problems. But if you hadn't worked on DBT Core, no worry, I am telling you what were the problems. So the major problems was that you need to manage everything. You need to install Python, you need to install Git, some DBT packages also you need to install, and you need to maintain all the codes, and you need to establish connections and ensure the connections is also working as expected with Databricks, Redshift, Fabrics, or any cloud provider you are using, and so on and so forth. So there was a lot of things which you need to manage. So seeing this challenge where businesses was also spending time in managing all these things, DBT create a UI product where every underlying thing is managed by DBT Labs, and you just need to focus on real development instead of managing all the underlying stuff. Just to be very clear, it is not free. Okay, DBT Core is free, but DBT Cloud and DBT Canvas is not free, but it provides 13 days of trial version, which even I am using here to teach you DBT Cloud. Second product is DBT Canvas. It is also managed product, but it's more like a draggy droppy feature build. Okay, I personally don't recommend you to use this in initial phases, but you should know what's DBT Canvas as well. Here is the comparison between DBT Core, DBT Cloud, and DBT Canvas. So I had divided the comparison into 5 features: category, access, cost, scheduling, and target user. DBT Core category is open source, while DBT Cloud and DBT Canvas category is a managed platform. It is a SaaS product. If we talk about access, you can access DBT Core using local terminal or IDEs, but in order to access DBT Cloud, you don't need to go through these IDEs. You can directly go to browser and get started. And obviously DBT Core is free, as we had already discussed, and other two services are paid. If we talk about scheduling in DBT Core, you need to take care of scheduling, guys. You need to manually schedule using Airflow or any other tools, but in DBT Cloud and DBT Canvas, you have built-in native schedulers to keep you going. We talk about target users. DBT Core and DBT Cloud both are more for the engineers who really want to do coding part, and DBT Canvas is for that person who is less technical and who just wants to get his work done by dragging and dropping. Let's configure DBT Cloud with Snowflake and integrate with Git.